PGTRB English. Unit 10 Application of Language Skills. Here are 20 multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on phrases from the Samashir Kalvi English textbooks for classes 6th to 12th. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, at arm's length. A. Very close. B. At a distance. C. Hand in hand. D. Within reach. Answer. B. At a distance. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, break the ice. A. Begin a conversation. B. Destroy something. C. Melt the ice. D. Escape from trouble. Answer. A. Begin a conversation. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, burn the midnight oil. A. Work late into the night. B. Waste time. C. Sleep early. D. Start a fire. Answer. A. Work late into the night. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, cry over spilt milk. A. Be sad over something that cannot be changed. B. Spill the milk. C. Be happy about something. D. Cry loudly. Answer. A. Be sad over something that cannot be changed. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, in the blink of an eye. A. Very slowly. B. Very quickly. C. Gradually. D. Constantly. Answer. B. Very quickly. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, go the extra mile. A. Put in extra effort. B. Travel far. C. Take a shortcut. D. Stop working. Answer. A. Put in extra effort. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, hit the nail on the head. A. Make a mistake. B. Do something exactly right. C. Miss the point. D. Hit something hard. Answer. B. Do something exactly right. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, let the cat out of the bag. A. Free an animal. B. Reveal a secret. C. Create confusion. D. Cause trouble. Answer. B. Reveal a secret. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, piece of cake. A. Very easy. B. Very difficult. C. A portion of food. D. A rare opportunity. Answer. A. Very easy. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, through thick and thin. A. In all situations. B. During good times only. C. After losing hope. D. After a long time. Answer. A. In all situations. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, in the same boat. A. Traveling together. B. In a similar situation. C. On a ship. D. Helping each other. Answer. B. In a similar situation. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, raining cats and dogs. A. Mild drizzle. B. Heavy rain. C. Snowfall. D. Strong wind. Answer. B. Heavy rain. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, once in a blue moon. A. Very often. B. Rarely. C. Every day. D. Every full moon. Answer. B. Rarely. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, spill the beans. A. Make a mess. B. Reveal a secret. C. Lose something valuable. D. Hide the truth. Answer. B. Reveal a secret. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, under the weather. A. Not feeling well. B. In good health. C. Enjoying the weather. D. Planning an event. Answer. A. Not feeling well. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, blow one's own trumpet. A. Play an instrument. B. Praise oneself. C. Be humble. D. Talk about music. Answer. B. Praise oneself. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, a blessing in disguise. A. A hidden gift. B. Something good that seemed bad at first. C. A special prayer. D. A terrible situation. Answer. B. Something good that seemed bad at first. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, jump the gun. A. Start before the proper time. B. Avoid a problem. C. Act after thinking. D. Fire a weapon. Answer. A. Start before the proper time. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, pull someone's leg. A. Tease or joke with someone. B. Help someone. C. Hurt someone. D. Avoid someone. Answer. A. Tease or joke with someone. Choose the correct meaning of the phrase, bark up the wrong tree. A. Be mistaken. B. Follow the correct path. C. Call for help. D. Make loud noise. Answer. Be mistaken.